Do you still manage GDPR and spreadsheets? Try GDPR and ALM Octane, a perfect match. This tutorial was created with the Adoption Readiness Tool, ART. So let's do a short recap. What is the GDPR? GDPR is short for General Data Protection Regulation. The goal is to unify data protection for European Union citizens. So this is relevant for any company all over the world which serves European Union citizens. The GDPR is enforceable beginning May 25th, 2018. Quite a long time ago, but it's very important to understand that you must ensure that every aspect of your organization is and stays compliant. So why should we care? Because there might be very high sanctions, up to 4% of global revenues. And how do we approach GDPR now? So let's have a look at ALM Octane and the GDPR Content Pack. So what is that? It is the whole GDPR regulation and GDPR corrigendum in ALM Octane and the classic ALM QualityCenter, pre-populated in all 24 EU languages. The goal is to manage GDPR projects professionally. And no, that's not project management in spreadsheets. So how do we do it? We manage everything from regulation to implementation in one tool. And we add use cases and references to relevant products which support GDPR compliance. Let's have a look. This is ALM Octane with the official GDPR regulation. For this training we use the English version, yet you can import the GDPR in any of the 24 EU languages. Let's use the tree on the left to browse through chapters and articles. Click on Chapter 1 to open it. Click on Article 2 to open it. Now let's search for something. In our example, we are searching for the term pseudonymization. Click on the search icon. Type pseudo in the search box to search for items which include this text. These are the items which include the text pseudo. Click Requirements to show all requirements which include the text pseudo. Click on the ID of the requirement you want to open. These are the details of this requirement. The description field contains the original GDPR text. In this example, we will now assign a release to this requirement. When will it be implemented? To do that, click on the arrow to open the list of releases. Check the checkbox for the release you want to set. Click the OK button. Now we will assign an owner for this requirement. Click on the arrow to open the list of users. Click on the name of the user you want to set as owner. Click on the arrow to show more commands. Click the Add to My Work list item. My Work shows all items I'm currently working on. Click the History tab to show the audit trail of the requirement. The History tab is really important to understand who changed what and when on this requirement. Click the Details tab to go back to the details of the requirement. Click the Comments icon to show the comments for this requirement. Click on Add a new comment here. Type the comment into the box. Click the Add button. Click the Requirements link to go back to the Requirements screen. Now we are back to the first screen where we see the GDPR in ALM Octane. The GDPR Content Pack. What's in for you? You can conduct GDPR projects in ALM Octane and ALM QualityCenter, on-premise or managed by Micro Focus Software as a Service. Use and enhance the GDPR Content Pack free of charge for GDPR, other specifications or bulk data imports from Microsoft Excel into ALM Octane and ALM QualityCenter. Micro Focus offers a very broad range of GDPR-related products for security, information management and governance, identity access management. Identify relevant Micro Focus products which support your specific situation and requirements with the GDPR Content Pack. So how can you get access to ALM Octane and the GDPR Content Pack? Request your own free Software as a Service ALM Octane trial from the Micro Focus website. Reuse ALM QualityCenter licenses for ALM Octane installations. You can also use ALM QualityCenter to manage GDPR projects, yet ALM Octane offers several very useful additional features. Download the GDPR Content Pack and documentation from the Micro Focus Marketplace. I hope you liked this session and you understand why we say, don't manage GDPR in spreadsheets. Try GDPR and ALM Octane, a perfect match.